Hello there, I'm Dr. John Tibane. I would like to share with you some few thoughts on what winners do. Winners do three things. They decide what they want to achieve. They determine the price they must pay for them to get what they want, and they pay the price. That's right. They just do three things. They decide what they want. They determine the price they must pay for them to get what they want, and they pay the price. I challenge you today. Decide today what you want. Many people don't get what they want because in the first place, they really don't know what they want. Decision is critical to success. Success begins with decision. If you have not yet decided to become successful, there is no way you are going to become successful. You see, whatever is tolerated cannot be altered. Whatever is tolerated cannot be altered. In other words, whatever you tolerate, you can't change. If you have not yet decided to lose weight, you are stuck with weight. If you have not yet decided to become prosperous, you are stuck with poverty. Whatever is haunting you today is because you have not yet decided to get rid of it. So it's important for you to do exactly what winners do. Decide what you want and write it down. Make it your pure intention. Make it your heart's desire. Decide what you want. Secondly, determine the price you must pay for you to get what you want. In other words, you need to count the cost. You need to know what it will take for you to get what you want. And most of the time, you will discover that you have all what it takes for you to become successful. So, use that which you have to achieve what you want. If you do not have something that is critical for you to become successful, then hire it or go where it is or partner with someone who's got the skill or has got the resources that you do not have. But never take it for granted that you are not equipped to achieve success. Often, we are not aware that we have what it takes for us to achieve what we want simply because we have not determined the cost. I can guarantee you, you are much more closer to your miracle season than ever before. Thirdly, just pay the price. Winners, having decided what they want and having determined the price they must pay for them to get what they want, they then pay the price. Do the same yourself. Pay the price. Whatever it takes, do whatever it takes for you to achieve what you want. That success is yours. You were destined for achieving whatever you were born to achieve. So don't lose it. Don't give it to the dogs. Don't expose your pals to the pigs by being lazy, by neglecting what you ought to do. So once again, three things that winners do, and you too can do that. 1, decide what you want. 2, determine the price you must pay to get what you want. And 3, pay the price. God bless you.